guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get a disabled Instagram account back. Let's get started. So if you have disabled your Instagram account and if you want to back up your account, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. So to get your account back, what you have to do is you just have to simply log into your account and that will recover your account. But if your account got deleted, then what you can do is report a problem. So to report a problem, you just have to create a Instagram account. Just create a dummy Instagram account or simply use someone else's Instagram account. So after opening up your Instagram, now what you can do is just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on that, just tap on the 3-bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and then tap on help. After tapping on help, just simply tap on report a problem. Report about abuse or spam shouldn't be submitted over here. You just have to simply tap on that option. And after tapping on that option, now you can report your problem from here. So what you have to do is just scroll down and then tap on was this helpful. Just tap on no and then tap on other. After tapping on other, now you can find this option. From here you can just simply submit your problem. So just type in I have just disabled my account and my account got deleted. I want to recover my account, and what you have to do is just simply provide your account's username. So by providing your account's username, it will make Instagram easy to recover your account. So just simply provide your username and then tap on submit. Your account will be recovered. So that's it guys, this is how to get a disabled Instagram account back. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.